Hello everyone, this is Amir Hossein. Welcome to a new training video. This training video is about the installation of the RTTOV model. So let's start. First, on your web browser, search about the RTTOV model and open the first link. This is the website of the RTTOV model. Not just the RTTOV model, there are also several different software. And the first step is to register in this website, and after registration you can get the required software. I have already registered on this website, so I just go to the download page here on this tab, download software, and from this page I go to the archived version by clicking on user area. And since I have already downloaded, I previously downloaded the RTTOV version 12.3, now I can easily click on this link and get version 12.3 of the RTTOV model. But you can also get the newest or latest version of the RTTOV model. I just click on this link and it starts downloading the software. Now I stop it since I have already downloaded it. I just wanted to show you how you can navigate to the right website to get the software. So I stop it, and now I show you my terminal, Linux terminal. This is the downloaded package of the software RTTOV 123.tar.gz. The first step is to untar this package. So after untarring this package, you can compile and install it. But before compilation, there is another point that I should tell you. There are some documentations available that it's better to download such documentations and study it. They actually have a guidance that there are a user guide in those documentations that can help you in compiling and installation of the software. Here I cannot find the documentation, but they should be somewhere here. Software documentation. I cannot find it right here, but there should be some documentation here that you can definitely find it. But anyway, let me show you one documentation, one user guide of the RTTOV version 12, and here it helps you how to compile the code. First of all, you need some packages before compilation. These packages are netcdf, let me type it here, netcdf, hdf5, and make. These are three primary and essential packages, libraries that you need to install before compiling RTTOV model. So now, according to the user guide, you should go to the source directory, but before that you need to set up another file. That file is actually here on the build directory. There is a makefile .local. This file should be modified according to your needs before compiling the code. So for modifying this configuration file, I have already a file here. There are some primary variables that are needed to be changed. One of them is HDF prefix. You need to change it to user. So I changed it to dash user. F flag HDF, this also should be changed. I uncomment it and also this one, LD flag, and it should point to lib64. This is critical, and the other variables can be left untouched. And this is enough. You don't need to modify any further. Okay, save it. Now it's ready. Everything is ready to be compiled according to the user guide. You should navigate to the source directory, and after that run this command. Go to the source directory, source, and now run this command. Okay, it asks you some questions. It actually asks you some input data and information, input information that you need to give it. The first question is specifying the required compiler flag. If you leave it blank, it will be considered as G4 so I just enter to leave it blank. Next question, installation directory. We leave it blank too, so the default directory would be the current directory. Just enter. And next question, it asks if you want to compile the Python wrapper and RTTOV GUI. The answer is no, we don't want the GUI. And the next question, additional flags to pass to make. Just leave it blank, no need to additional flags. And if everything is okay, just actually type Y here. If you can check all the variables here, and if everything is okay, you can type Y and enter. And now it starts to compile the code. Actually, I'm not going to wait for the compilation to be finished. It may take maybe half an hour, more or less half an hour, depending on your system. And I just stop it and I show you a compiled RTTOV model. If everything goes well, you will have some binary files here in the bin directory. They are actually compiled binary data, and also in the RTTOV test there are some applications for running these binary data, these binary files. And these shell scripts actually are some applications that you can use to run the binary files of the RTTOV model.